All right, guys, we're going to be looking at the Temu keyboard now. Little keyboard. This one takes two AAAs. I'm using the Temu rechargeable lithium-ion batteries with the Type-C ports. They do have a nice case, Type-C rechargeable. Holds a bunch of batteries. The top of it, when it's charging, will tell you which one's charged, which ones aren't. Keyboard does come with the dongle and the dongle storage. It is backlit. You hold this FN key and then the F2 key to cycle through the different modes. It does Bluetooth, or you can use the dongle. And yeah, great little keyboard. Not the best typing experience, but when you're laying in bed trying to watch a movie on your computer, it comes really handy. Or if you're on the couch trying to watch a movie, or trying to open up your Steam games. Because let's face it, if you're on the couch, you're using your controller anyways. You don't want to have your big old gaming keyboard out. Little guy lets you get to your game library, select your games, and you're off to the races. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.